I made another live edge natural wood spindle, and I'm completing it in this video. So, I started by clamping this log in my vise, and then I cut it with my Japanese saw. And I picked a walnut shaft out of my three options: walnut, birch, and cherry. And I drilled out a spot for the hook, and then I can screw in the hook. And back there you see the whirl it will get. Now that the hook's all the way in, I can assemble it. And there you have it, a handmade spindle. A quick test and it spins great.